Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Looking to reach more customers throughout Google Ads, in this tutorial, we'll teach you how to run Google Ads for your Shopify store in 2024, helping you attract visitors directly from Google search results. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So the first thing guys is basically to go ahead to your account, go to Google Ads and start by creating your first campaign. Now here as you can see we have to fulfill a couple of informations, so let's start by adding our business name. I'm going to type here tutorial business. Here put your business web page URL. So let's put here for example .hesbret.com and then I'm going to click on next. Once we have done that, as you can see, this Google will check and basically will need to ask for more information like adding mobile app and basically Google business profile and have a phone number. I'm going to skip that for now, and just like that I will choose what is the main goal for advertising. So for me, normally in Shopify, I would like to get more website sales and leads. I won't really be interested in getting more calls. I'm not really interested in getting more visits to your physical location, and I'm really not looking for getting more views and engagement on YouTube. So let's keep it as get more website sales and leads, and then click on next. Once we are on the next step, we are going to add a couple of informations. So here you have to analytics your website, connect your info to get clear, skip for now, skip that. I don't really want to add Google Analytics, and just like that you are going to actually add a couple of options. So here a web page has been detected for this action. I want lead or I want sales, so simply just choose what you want. For now we will be wanting sales, so we want customers to either complete a purchase, customers begin checkout, customer add items to their carts, or customers complete a subscription. For now we want customers to complete a purchase and enter the web-based customers will see after they successfully complete a purchase, such as the thank you page. So here, for example, thank you, ref equals purchase. Click on apply, and as you can see, once you have done that, click on next. After that, the page, so now it's time to write your ad. Basically, the ad is going to be shown in the search engine, something like that. So make sure that you add specifically what you want to be having in this ad. So for example, here, there will be headline number 1, headline number 2, and headline number 3, and other descriptions. So for example, here, best products for 2024. Here I'm going to add, this is time to buy from us, and from like to buy discounts up to 90%. So these are the main headlines I'm going to be using, and here description: free iPhone giveaway, free iPhone 16 giveaway, and here the same. And just like that, I'm gonna click on next. You will have to add here your phone number and show a call button in your ad, which is basically the, as you can see here, let me just close this. So it's gonna be like a button right here that tells people that they have to click on it so they can get into your site and basically pay for it. Here you can preview it in multiple ways. You can like view it, and here you can play preview. So it can be played for you and basically moved right and left. You can view it exactly. And the phone number is very necessary. You cannot proceed without a phone number, so make sure that you have a very verified phone number, not a burned one, not a spam one, something that is legit, because otherwise this campaign will not work for you. So now once you have done all of this and you have created your account successfully, it will get to the campaign. Now the campaign will need a little bit of informations and understandings. Let me just open a whiteboard for you so you can understand it very well. So a campaign has three different criteria that you will have to actually understand. So here you will have to draw it for you and you will understand it 100%. So a campaign will be sent to multiple people. So this is your campaign number 1. Alright, so the campaign number one will be randomized. It will not really be focused on the target and niche that you want. So make sure always that your first campaign to basically leave it up to 3 days, as you can see, so it can warm up. This warming up for 3 days will need to be lower cost. So if in case you were going to spend $25 per day, per like for your number ads, then for the first 3 days only spend $5. This will help Google Ads to understand who are the people interested in your campaign, so you can have more ratio or conversion ratio, like conversion ratio in your campaign, and that will boost your campaign, your future campaign performance by a lot. So 3 days is the most optimal thing, then spend the minimum, and that will help you to have higher conversion rates. So these are the main things to focus on. Of course, there is other criteria that will be needed to focus on, such as the gender of the people that you want to target. Also, there will be the age and also the location. So these criteria are very important. For example, if your website is in like Chinese or like Korean, then of course you don't want your website to be shown for people who speaks English or doesn't speak Chinese and Korean. So in that case, you will simply just keep the location in your like local, or basically in the like location that people will be interested and able to read and view and buy from you. The age also is very important. For example, you are selling clothes for kids. Do not pick age from 5 to 10, because yeah, kids can see ad, they will have their own accounts, like kids accounts, of course, but they will not be able to make the purchase. So you will have at least to make like the age to the parents who are going to be able to buy for their kids. Of course, for parents, you're not going to choose age between 60 and 90. You will have to choose something reasonable. For example, with age from 5 to 10, for example, you're selling for kids who have age between 5 to 10, which means that the couple has probably married, the average couples are basically married around 25. So we would be saying between 30 and 40 is the average age that you want to sell for them. Now, the gender also is very crucial when it comes to selling. It really varies depending on product and your business model. And yeah, guys, this is how you can start your first campaign on your Google Ads account. Make sure your account is warmed up for the first 3 days, and just like that, it will be a really smooth journey for you. So, thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.